Now let's see the answers for all these questions. First question, the length of the three sides of the triangle is given. You have to find the area of the triangle. And area of the triangle is, formula to find the area of triangle by Heron's is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. And now the perimeter is, first let's find the perimeter. 20 plus 16 plus 12, which is 48. Perimeter is 48. And the semi perimeter is off of it, which is 24. No. S is 24. And 24 minus the first side 20. And the second side 16. And the third side, which is 12. So here 24 into 4 into 8, then 12. So now let's write the factors of these numbers. 24 is 6 into 4. And 4, let's keep it as it is. 8 is 2 into 4. And 12, it's 6 into 2. To remove from the square root, we have to look for the pair of numbers. Here there are 2 6. So we can take it as 1 6. There are 2 6. So take it as 1 6. And there are 2 4s. So let's take it as 1 4. And there are 2 2s. Let's take it as 1 2. And this 4 is a perfect square number. When we remove out from the square root symbol, it becomes, the square root of 4 is 2. Let's multiply all these numbers. We have removed from the square root, so let's multiply all these numbers. 6 4s are 24. 24 2s are 48. 48 2s are 96. And the area is 96 centimeters square. Second one, the side of the rhombus is given as 10 centimeter. So we need to find the area of the rhombus. The side of the rhombus is given as well as the diagonal. One diagonal is given. So one diagonal is 12 centimeter. Remember the property of the rhombus, that the diagonals of the rhombus bisect each other at right angles. So if the whole diagonal is 12 centimeter, as it gets bisected, now at this part, let's name it as O. So here OD and OB, if BD is equal to 12 centimeter, then OD, the off of it, as it is bisected, off of it will be 6 centimeter. OD will be 6 centimeter and OB will be 6 centimeter. This part is 6 and other part is 6. And now let's take the triangle OCD. It's a right triangle. As the diagonals bisect each other and at right angles. So here at this part, the center, it makes 90 degree. So we can take the triangle OCD. Triangle OCD is a right triangle. I took OCD, and in this we know the side, one of the side is the side of rhombus. Side of the rhombus, that is the CD is the side of the rhombus, that is given as 10 centimeter. And one diagonal measurement is given, that is this OD. OD measurement it's off of it, so which is 6. And let's find OC. By finding OC, then OA plus OC is equal to AC. We can find the length of the other diagonal. So to find the length of the other diagonal, we need to find what is OC first. So let's take the triangle OCD. OCD is a right triangle. So by Pythagoras, we can find the length of the missing side. Yes, by using Pythagoras, let's find the length of the missing side here. So here by Pythagoras, the hypotenuse is here, the CD. CD is the hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the square of its legs. The legs are OD and OC. OC square. And here CD square, it's already CD is one of the sides of the rhombus, which is 10, and OD square is 6 square, that is half of the diagonal, given diagonal, and this measurement we are going to find it. So 10 square is 100, and let's move the 6 square to the other side, so it becomes 6 square is 36. When we move to the other side, it's minus 36, and 100 minus 36 is 64. Hence square root of 64 is 8 centimeter. So OC is 8 centimeter. We found OC as 8 centimeter. So OC is 8 centimeter, then OA also 8 centimeter, same. And length of the AC will be, AC is OA plus OC. And OA and OC will be the same measurement, 8 plus 8, which is 16. So here the length of the other diagonal AC is 16 centimeter. The length of one diagonal is 12, other diagonal is, that is D2, is 16 centimeter. Now let's find the area of the rhombus. Area of rhombus is of D1 into D2. Use the area of rhombus formula, which is of D1 into D2. D1 already given, D2 we found it by Pythagoras. Okay, now D1 is, which is given as 12 centimeter, and D2 we found it as 16 centimeter. So now let's cut it. So 6 and 16 6 are, it's 96 centimeter square, that is the area of the rhombus. To find the area of equilateral triangle, the formula is root 3 by 4 into the side square, and here the side is given as 4 root 3. So let's substitute the given side to find the area. It's 4 root 3 the whole square, so I wrote it 2 times. Then let's cancel this 4 and this 4, then multiply the remaining. So root 3 into root 3 into 4 root 3, and root 3 and root 3 will become 3. Then 3 4s are 12. 12 root 3 is the area, but that's not in our option. So let's substitute the value of root 3. Root 3 is 1.73. Then multiply it, so you'll get 20.784 centimeter square. So it's option D. The length of the each side, area is given, so let's substitute in the formula. Area is equal to root 3 by 4 a square. Here the area is given as 9 root 3 and the side is missing, we have to find the side. So to find the side, move this root 3 by to the left side, so it comes as 4 by root 3. Then this root 3 and root 3 will get cancelled, so 9 4s are 36. Square root of 36 is 6. Hence the side of the equilateral triangle is 6 centimeter. Perimeter is given, so let's find out the side. Side is equal to perimeter divided by 3. As it is an equilateral triangle, take the perimeter and divide by 3 to know the side. So 60 divided by 3 is 20 centimeter. Side 20 centimeter. After knowing the side, we can substitute in this formula to find the area. So here side is 20, and let's cancel this. So then multiply 5 20s are 100. So 100 root 3 centimeter square is the area. Height of the triangle is given, equilateral triangle is given. There is a formula. Height of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 2a. So if height of the triangle is equal to root 3 by 2a, let's substitute the given height. This root 3 by 2a is equal to 6 centimeter. So now what is a? Let's find a by moving this root 3 by 2 to the other side. So it's 6 2s are 12 by root 3. A is 12 by root 3. So let's substitute the given side in this and then find the area. So A is here 12 by root 3. And now the square of this 12 square is 144 and root 3 the whole square is 3. Then let's cancel this. So it's 36 times 4 is 144 and 3 and 36 it's 12 times. So 12 root 3. Area is 12 root 3, which is option C. There are two options are correct in this, both A and C, which is 12 root 3. And next, the sides of the triangle 8, 11 and 13, the value of S. S is equal to 8 plus 11 plus 13 divided by 2. Perimeter divided by 2. So 8 plus 11, it's 19. 19 plus 13, which is 32. 32 divided by 2 is 60. Right triangle. In a right triangle, the base is 8 centimeter and the hypotenuse is 10 centimeter. Then area. Always the area of right triangle is of base into height. Use the formula of base into height to find the area of a right triangle. And here the base is given but height is missing. We have to find this height. And in a right triangle, if any side is missing, we can find it by Pythagoras. So here, let's find, by using Pythagoras, let's find the length of this x. So here the hypotenuse is 10. So 10 square is equal to 8 square plus x square. And let's move this 8 square to the other sides. So here 10 square is 100, 8 square is 64 and 100 minus 64 is 36. Square root of 36 is 6 centimeter. So the length of the missing side is here 6. It's equal to 6 centimeter. And let's find the area of this right triangle. The base is 8 and the height we found it as 6. And cancel it. So 4 6 are, it's 24 centimeter square. And here 9th one, the area of the triangle is 6 centimeter square whose sides are 3 4 5. And area of the triangle formula is given, so let's substitute here. Here S is 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 5 12, so 12 divided by 2 is 6. So 6, then 6 minus 3, which is 3, 6 minus 4, which is 2, and 6 minus 5 is 1. Then yes, 6, if you multiply all these, it's 36. Then square root of 36 is 6. So area is 6 centimeter square. So this is true as well as the formula given is true. So both are true, hence the option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. In 10, area of the equilateral triangle having each side 4 centimeter. Area of equilateral triangle formula is root 3 by 4 A square. That is the side square. And here the side is given as 4. So let's use that. So if after that we found the area will be 4 root 3. Yes, the given area is 4 root 3. Hence this is true. As well as the reason given is, the formula given is also correct. So both are true. Hence for the 10th one also, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. From the perimeter, let's find the missing side. Only two sides is there. Let's find the missing side. So x plus 18 plus 10 is equal to 42. So x is equal to 42, this one. 10 plus 18 is 28. So let's subtract this one. So it's 14. And if x is 14, now we have to find the semi-perimeter. Perimeter is 42, so semi-perimeter is 21. Let's find the area. Area is S. S is 21 into S minus A. So 21 minus 18, which will be 3. Then 21 minus 10, which will be 11. And 21 minus this 14, which is 7. I did S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Now 21, the factors of 21 is 7, 3. 7 into 3, 21. And 3, other numbers are prime numbers, so we can't do the factorization of it. Let's leave it. And now let's remove it from the square root. There are two 7s. There are two 7s. So 1 7 can be removed. There are two 3s, so 1 3 can be removed. And here this one 11 remains in the inside the square root. So 7 3s are 21. 21 root 11 is the area. Answer is area of this triangle is 21 root 11 centimeter square. The sides are given as ratio. So let's find the sides first by taking this ratio as 13x, 14x and 15x. The summation of all this is equal to the perimeter 84. And what is 13x plus 14x plus 15x, which is equal to 42x. So let's x is equal to 84 divided by 42. So it's 2 times. If x is 2, then the sides are 13 2s are 26 and 14 2s are 28 and the 15 2s are 30 centimeter. So the sides are 26, 28 and 30 centimeter. Perimeter is 84. Let's find the area. To find the area, we should know S, and S is off of the perimeter, so it is 42. Yes. So here 42. 42 minus 26. 42 minus 26, which is 42 minus 30 and 42 minus 28. Yes. Now let's find the factors of this. 42 is 6 into 7, 14 2 into 7, 16 2 into 8 and 12 2 into 6. It's to remove from the square root. We need a pair of numbers, so 7 and 7 pair is there, we can remove, and 6 and 6, 2 and 2. For this 8 and 2 there is no pair, so let's multiply. 8 2s are 8 and 2, it's 16. And the square root of 16 is 4, so we can remove this 16 from the square root symbol. Square root of 16 is 4. Then multiply everything, like 7 6 are 42, 42 2s are 84 and 84 4s are, which is 336 centimeter square. Area of this triangle is 336. Isosceles triangle. Perimeter of isosceles triangle 32 centimeter and a ratio of equal sides to the base. So if the equal sides to the base is 3:2, then these equal sides are 3x and 3x, base is 2x. And the summation of these three sides is equal to the perimeter 32. Let's find out this x. 6 plus 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 2 8x. 8x is 32. So x is equal to 32 divided by 8, which is 4. X is 4. If x is 4, then the three sides are 3 fours are 12 centimeter. The equal sides are 12 centimeter, 12 centimeter, and the base is 8 centimeter. Now, using herons, let's find the area. So here, the semi-perimeter is 32 divided by 2, which is 16. And 16 minus the sides are equal sides 12, and the base is 8. So here 16 minus 4, it's 2, 12, it's 4. 16 minus, yeah, then 16 minus 8, it's 8. So now the square root of this 16 is 4, and instead of these two 4s we can take as 1 4, and this 8. 8, the factors of 8 is 2 into 4. This 8, factors of 8 is 2 into 4, and this 4, the square root of 4 is 2. So we can take that as 2. So remaining only 2 inside the square root symbol. And now let's multiply this. 4 4s are 16, 16 2s are 32. 32 root 2. Area is 32 root 2 centimeter square. Two adjacent sides of the parallelogram is given here. So here in the parallelogram, one is 3.5, other one is 5 centimeter, and the diagonal 6.5 centimeter. So in this parallelogram ABCD, this parallelogram ABCD, we can take it as two triangles, and the diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into two triangles of equal area. So here the diagonal BD, it divides into two triangles. One as ABD, one triangle ABD, another one is BCD. And the area of these two triangles will be equal. So let's find the area of the triangle ABD. And in triangle ABD, all the three sides are there. So let's find it by Heron's formula. Let's find the area of this triangle. S. Here the perimeter is 3.5 plus 5 plus 6.5, which is equal to 15. So semi-perimeter will be 50 divided by 2, 7.5. 7.5, S is 7.5. Then S minus A. So S 7.5 minus 5, which will be 2.5. Then S minus B. So 7.5 minus 3.5, which will be 4. And the third side, which is a diagonal, 6.5. So 7.5 minus 6.5, 1. And now 7.5, we can write it as 3 into 2.5, which is equal to 7.5. And 2.5 is the next number, next 4 is there. So let's remove from the square root symbol here. 2.5 and 2.5, we can take it as 1 2.5. And square root of 4 is 2. And 3 remains inside the square root. Let's write 2.5 into 2, it's 5. So 5 root 3 is the area of the triangle ABD. Now to find the area of the parallelogram, take the twice of the area of this triangle. Area of parallelogram is equal to 2 times the area of the triangle. So here 2 times the area of the triangle ABD, which is 5 root 3. So 10 root 3 centimeter square. Area of the parallelogram is 10 root 3.